Are you a home service contractor struggling to stand out online? These days, customers aren't just searching Google, they're asking AI platforms like ChatGPT, Siri, and Perplexity who to hire. If your business isn't showing up there, your competitors are. That's where Core6 Marketing comes in. We're not your average agency. We specialize in AI-powered marketing built exclusively for plumbers, HVAC pros, electricians, remodelers, and other local trades. Our secret weapon? AI Search Sync, a proprietary system designed to push your business to the top of Google Search, Google Maps, and AI platforms your customers are already using. It's not just SEO, it's next-generation visibility. When someone in your city says, "Hey Siri, who's the best roofer near me?" Core6 helps make sure it's your name that comes up. We back it up with fully custom, lead-focused WordPress websites, high-converting Google Ads, and a 12-month SEO plan that's built for local dominance, not just rankings. No bloated teams, no outsourcing, just smart, AI-driven strategy, done in-house and personally managed by Core6 founder Phil Fisk. If you're ready to stop babysitting your website and start owning your market, it's time to partner with Core6. Real leads, local dominance, one contractor per city. Let's go.